Well, millions of dollars that were set to go to residents of an East Side neighborhood to help prevent flooding now in limbo.
The money was coming from an $11 million FEMA grant, and it was going to be used to enlarge sewers in the Jefferson Chalmers neighborhood.
Well, now that grant funding is in jeopardy as the Trump administration looks to make cuts to FEMA. 7 News Detroit reporters checking in with people in the neighborhood for their reaction.
Residents here in the Jefferson Chalmers neighborhood have been dealing with flooding for decades, and they were hoping that grant money could help solve the issue.
My basement last had sewage and water, and it came through the windows.
Jocelyn Fitzpatrick Harris has lived in the Jefferson Chalmers neighborhood since 1971. Back in 2021, she lost everything in her basement when the neighborhood was hit with flooding after the nearby Connor Creek pump station got overwhelmed after heavy rain. And in 2023, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, or FEMA, awarded the Jefferson Chalmers neighborhood with an $11.3 million grant to help make the sewers in the area larger. When you first learned about that, what was going through your head?
Finally, we get some money to address a major issue that we as residents do not have the ability to address.
Right now, that money is in limbo as the Trump administration looks to cut the FEMA program that was providing the grant.
With the situation as it exists, we have no guarantees. We have no peace about whether our basins will be full of sewage and flooding again or not.
I also spoke to former Deputy Mayor Anthony Adams, who moved to the neighborhood 8 years ago. He says this is the time for local and federal lawmakers to work together and get this issue resolved.
This is about housing preservation. This is about neighborhood growth and development.
I reached out to the Detroit Water and Sewerage Department about this, and I was sent this statement saying, quote, "We remain cautiously optimistic the funds will be released, and we are committed to enhancing flood mitigation in our city with projects such as this improvement." Meanwhile, for Jocelyn Fitzpatrick Harris,
I pray that in my lifetime, I will see these major issues addressed.
now the residents are just waiting to see what happens with the grant money. On the city's east side, Tiara Braddock, 7 News Detroit.